I bet you didn't know that becoming a US citizen could open up a world of opportunities for you and your family. First up, you need to check your eligibility. Have you had a green card for at least 5 years? Or are you married to a US citizen? If yes, you're on the right track. Next, it's time to get your paperwork in order. You'll need to complete Form N-400, the application for naturalization. Sounds daunting? It's basically just your personal information, your background, and your history with the US. After submitting your form and fee, get ready for the citizenship test. Don't sweat. It's a 2-part test, an English exam and a US history and government quiz. Here's a tip. The USCIS website has all the study materials you need. Lastly, the interview, it's your final step. Be honest, stay calm, and remember, it's just a conversation about your journey and your future in the US. Once you pass, you'll take the oath of allegiance and voila, you're a US citizen. Congrats on starting your new chapter.